Stop spending so much money on humidifiers at places like Target. You can see these are literally $80 each, but if you go into the TikTok shop, you can find this one for only $25.99, and it was originally $62.99. I got one for my daughter's room, especially for when she's sick or has a stuffy nose, and look how great it works. It has a ton of different settings. You can do a nighttime setting, and you can adjust what level you want it to be on. And there's also a thing on the side that you can put essential oils in.